Good morning, North Star second graders. TGIF, thank goodness it's Friday. Today is Friday, May 1st. We're already in May. Can you believe it? I can't. So just to talk about this week a little bit, we've been talking all about poetry. We started the week with an introduction, and then we went and talked about two different types of poems on Tuesday. Can you remember? Right, acrostic poems and list poems. On Wednesday, we talked about a different kind of poem, starts with a C, and they're called cinquains, right? Yesterday, we talked about haikus. Haikus are fun because they are Japanese and they're pretty simple to write. They only take 3 lines. And then today, we're going to talk about our last type of poem. And this type of poem is really similar to a cinquain, but it's a little bit different. There's a little differences here. So today, we're going to talk about Diamante poems, all right? So it's not rhymed. There's no rhyming in this poem, which is kind of weird because usually when we think about poems, they rhyme, but this one doesn't. So a Diamante poem is an unrhymed 7-line poem that forms the shape of a diamond. Diamantes are 7 lines long. The first and last lines just have 1 word. The second and 6th lines have 2 words. The 3rd and 5th lines have 3 words, and the 4th line has 4 words. Alright, lines 1, 4, and 7 have nouns, 2 and 6 have adjectives, and lines 3 and 5 have verbs. Oh my goodness, this is going to be a little bit trickier because there's more to write, but I think we can do it. So, let's see. I think that today I want to write our Diamante poem about school, because I really miss school. I don't know about you, but I wish that we were back in the classroom with all of our friends and just able to hang out and learn all together again. So my noun is going to be school. Let's see. Adjectives about school. Let's see. I know that North Star is big. I know that it's fun. I know that it is, let's see. What's a good word to describe North Star? Caring. I know that all of our teachers and students at North Star are very caring, and we are also very excited, right? We're excited to be North Star Wolves, and we love our school spirit. And then we need 3 verbs. 3 verbs about school. There's all kinds of words about school, right? Verbs about school. There's a lot of things. So we can read, we can write, we can solve. How about for math? We can solve. That's a good one. All right, nouns. Oh my gosh. Nouns about school. There's all kinds of things. How about playground? And books are at school. And what else is at school? Teachers. And students. Right? All of those things are at school, right? Because a noun is a person, place, or a thing. Let's see. 3 more verbs. Oh my gosh, I thought I had them all. But let's do some more. 3 more verbs. We can play. We can eat, right? Because we have to eat lunch. We have to eat snacks so we can keep our brain healthy, so we can keep learning. And I think I'm going to use that as my last verb, as learn. And then, again, I need 2 more adjectives that describe school. I'm going to use fun and educational, right? Because we gotta have fun at school, but we also gotta make sure we're learning. And then, last but not least, I need 1 more noun. And it has to be a synonym or an antonym, right? Synonyms are words that mean the same, and antonyms are words that mean opposite. So I don't want to use an antonym. That doesn't make sense to me. So I'm going to use a synonym. And for me, I love school so much, and I feel comfortable there. So I'm going to say that school is a safe place for me. And it kind of looks like it's 2 words, but it's got that little dash in the middle, so it kind of makes it 1 word. And sometimes you have to tweak the rules and like cheat a little bit just to make sure it works. Because sometimes it's hard to find a synonym for school, right? In other words, it's hard to find words that mean the same thing. So let's go ahead and read our Diamante poem all together. And can you see this really cool diamond shape? Oops, All right. School. Caring, excited. Read, write, solve. Playground, books, teachers, students. Play, eat, learn. Fun, educational. Safe place. Oh my gosh, I think that might be our best poem yet. Love it. All right, so for your assignment today, your last assignment for writing for this week, you are going to write your own Diamante poem about your teacher, right? So it doesn't matter if you have me, if you have Mr. Writer, if you have Miss Hale or Miss Gregson or Miss Jepson, you're going to write a Diamante poem about your teacher, right? So it might take some brainstorming first. You might have to do some planning before you write your poem, but your template is in Seesaw, and I can't wait to read everyone's poems. Happy writing, and I'll see you next week.